In this tutorial, we're going to cover the Mozeo inbox. So when you first log into your dashboard, you'll see you have an inbox widget here that tells you all of the new conversations that you might have in the inbox. So you'll see I have one available here and I can go to that conversation. I can also get to my inbox from the left-hand navigation. This is where I can view conversations, where I can start a new conversation, where I can set the alerts. I can get text or email alerts when a new message comes into my inbox, or I can download the data that's in my inbox. So we're going to go to view conversations. Now, again, this inbox icon always stays at the top of the dashboard, and you'll see I have a little one here. That means I have one message available. Now, when you first get to your inbox, you have a few different menu items here. First and foremost, you have open conversations. These include new conversations and read conversations. You also have a toggle to go over to your closed conversations. So you can toggle that and then view all of your closed conversations. This is a great way to keep your inbox clean, where you can close anything that you're done dealing with and then use the open for things that are new or conversations that you might be waiting for a response on. Now, across the top here, you have some great icons. You can search. This allows you to go and search for an actual contact, and then it'll pull up the conversation to see everything between you and that contact. When a new message arrives, we play a ding sound. You can set this and you can toggle this on and off. You can hit mark all as read. So if you have multiple conversations that are new and you just want to mark them all read but leave them in open, you can do mark all read. Or if you're done with all the conversations, we have a close all button here that'll close them. Now, next to each conversation, it'll tell you this was an SMS. Here's the date that it came in. There's a little green indicator here letting you know this person's active. And then I can close this conversation right away too. So I'm going to click on this conversation. And again, you'll see here, yep, they're active. I can see the back and forth bubbles. So anything I send is in purple. Anything that I receive is in gray. I can edit this contact. I can actually call this contact. So if you're on one of our Mozeo local numbers or a toll-free number, you can actually hit call, and we'll call your phone from your Mozeo number. We'll connect you to this individual in the background, and they'll see the call come in from your Mozeo number, and now we'll connect the two, and you can actually have a conversation with them. And this is great. You don't have to rely on software. You'll take the call right from your phone. So you can set an office line to do this. You can have it call your mobile number. All of those are available under settings and profile. Now, you can also opt out of contact. Let's say this person no longer wants to receive messages. You can opt them out. Or if you're done sending stuff to this individual, you can delete them. Now down below you have our editor where you get 300 characters. Once again, you can send standard or enhanced messages. Standard messages are 160 characters or below without an image. Enhanced messages are messages 160 characters and above with or without an image. So standard cost 1 credit, enhanced cost 2 credits per person. So you can type out your message here. We'll just say hello world. Example, now I can include an image from my media library. So I can put an image in here if I'd like. I can put a link in here and we'll actually shorten that link for you and add it right to the message. We have what are called quick replies. So you can actually just say things like you're welcome or add a new quick reply here below. So if I click that, it loads the content right in the editor for you. And then we have an emoji picker built right in here too. We also have add-ons. These are great. We have landing pages, star rating, a widget, and we're gonna explain these more in another tutorial video. So you can find our add-ons video to watch those. So you have all these controls built right in here, and this is where you can have your two-way conversations back and forth with any individual in your account.